Welcome back everybody to part 3 of LL1 Parser. Let's begin with calculating the follow. So in calculating the follow set, we start from the top to the bottom, right? So as we know, we ignore the first production. We just skip to the second one. So we say follow or FL for E is gonna be equal to, I just want to calculate the first one and just let you know how to calculate it. So first, follow of E is gonna be equal, we search for the entire set of elements, okay, for the element that follow E. So here in this example, we say we search the right side. So here we have E here, so we need to follow V. So we have E, the first E is here, we have other E here, so we need to know the follow of E. The follow of E is here, is $. So this is the first thing. Other follow of E is the right parentheses. So those two terms are terminals, so we just take them as they are. So we just put $ and right parentheses. So this is in the first calculation for the follow of E. We move next to calculating the follow of K. So when you calculate follow of K, so we start with calculating follow of K. You can see here we search the entire grammar. So let me change the color. We search the entire grammar for the element K. So we have here, we have K, and here we have K, and these are the only two places. So for the first K, we need to calculate the follow for it. So if you look here, after K we have lambda, so we don't have anything after K, we have lambda. So because we have lambda here, we take, in this example, we take the first element after E, which is $. So first of $, is gonna be $. So that's why we put here $. And in the other one, when we calculate the first of E in this example, we say that first of for the right parentheses is right parentheses. So we put together, united, the $, and the right parentheses, so we got this follow of E. In calculating the follow of K, we have lambda here, so we don't have anything after K. So here we have lambda, we have empty string. So because we have empty string, when we calculate first of lambda, in normal life we have lambda here. First of lambda is lambda. But in this example, first of lambda, because we are calculating the follow, we take the follow of the element inside this production. So it's gonna be follow of E. So instead of taking follow of lambda, this is completely wrong. We take follow instead of taking the first of lambda, we take the follow of the left side of the grammar. So we take the follow of E, right? So in this example, we're gonna take we have the first K and the second K. We're gonna take the follow of the first of lambda. It's gonna be the follow of E. So we say here follow FL of E united with the other K. Here we have also follow first of lambda. First of lambda is gonna be the same. It's gonna be follow of K. So in this case, we're gonna say, okay, follow of K, follow of E united follow of K, follow FL. So because we have follow here and we have follow here, so we ignore this side, right? So follow of E, we calculated follow of E is gonna be $ and right parentheses. So okay, let me just clean this up. Okay, right. So we're gonna have $, and right parentheses. So this is calculating the follow of k. What about the follow of t and h and f? So the follow of, let me just try to make other color here. Follow, say follow fl of, we calculate k, we move to t. So follow of t is equal to, we search the entire grammar. So we can see here we have follow of t. This is the first t, and this is the second t. So follow of t is the first of k, and follow of t is the first of k. Okay, so follow of t is gonna be the first of k. But what about the first of k? What is the first of k? If you move up, we calculate the the first of k. First of k is plus plus lambda, right? So here first of k is equal to plus and lambda. But I told you before, when we calculate the first when we calculate the follow, we cannot have first of lambda. So in this example, we calculate the first of plus is going to be plus, the first of lambda is going to be not lambda, because we calculate the follow. We need to take the element that lambda belongs to, or belong to. Okay, so first thing, you have this case, you just say, okay, have plus and have united the follow of element that lambda belongs to. Okay, so if you look for this example, okay, we we just take from first of k. Okay, we take lambda comes from first of k. So here, wait a minute. Okay, so lambda, as I said, lambda, we take lambda from first of k, right? Okay, and this is the first of k. We need to calculate the first of k. So first of k is going to be plus and lambda. We take the plus and we say united follow of k. So just put follow of k. We calculated the follow of k before, which is $sign and right parentheses. So we just put plus $sign and right parentheses. Okay, so in this case we have this is the first, second, and this is third. We need to continue with our calculation for the first and follow. So we just need to calculate the follow of h, fl of h, which is gonna be you just calculate it plus $sign and right parentheses. You calculate the last one, which is f. So follow of f is gonna be equal to let me just try to give you a demonstration of how to calculate follow of f, because maybe you have a difficulty for the first time. Follow of f, let me just calculate follow of f. Let me change the color to green, right? So we have follow of f. We need to calculate follow of f. So okay, we have f here. So let me just see the grammar. We have f, we need to calculate the follow of f. We have f here, 1, 2. So we just got 2. Follow of f is equal to first of h is equal to first of h. So we say that follow of f is equal to first of h, right? So what is the first of h? Let me just say, try to see what is the first of h. First of h is star lambda, star lambda. So first of h is equal to star and lambda. But I said before that we could not have lambda here. So I just say it's star united the follow of the element that lambda belongs to. So just open bracket. I want to see what is lambda belongs to. So in this example we can see here in calculating follow of h, lambda belongs to the follow of h. So I'm just gonna say basically it's gonna be follow of h. We calculated follow of h, which is plus $sign and right parenthesis. So basically it's gonna be the united between star and these elements. So follow of f is gonna be equal to star plus $sign and right parenthesis. So this is the grammar for the set element for this follow for f. So in this way we calculated all the follow sets that we need. We calculated this is the follow of f. This is follow of h, and if you go up here we have this is for the follow of t. Wait a minute. Okay, and this is for follow. This is for follow of k, and this is for the follow of e. So in this way we just done with calculating all the follow and just follow and first element for this grammar. In the next video we're gonna see how to generate the parsing table using these follow and sets. So until this video, don't forget to subscribe and be tuned to the next video. Thank you for watching again, and see you in part 4.